This sailboat line features a braided polyester jacket with UHMWPE core material that is lightweight, low stretch, and has good UV resistance. It is super strong when it needs to be. It is ideally suited for our customers looking for better performance than polyester without paying a premium price of high-techs. The product is easily spliced. You can strip the cover and it performs beyond expectations. For the discriminating boater, the line exhibits high strength, excellent creep and abrasion resistance, excellent flex, fold and chemical resistance, and outstanding heat and cut resistance. It is a unique mid-tech product for sheets and halyards, filling the gap between performance polyester lines and ultra-high performance racing lines.